Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial for installation of the program PSA Analyser. First, if you have the zip file of the project of the program, or you will have the single file for installation, or in the case you have the zip file, you have to extract all files. I will extract here in the desktop. So here is the folder. We open this folder and there is two folders, right? One is for redistribution, I mean is for sharing the application, and the other one is the installer for installing on your machine. So you will have a file named my app installer web. We will open it. We will give it permission. So this file will install the runtime from MATLAB, because this is developed in MATLAB 2023 version B. First of all, the installer will add a runtime that will get installed on your PC, so you don't have to worry for that. When you are here in the destination, it will go automatically to program files and create a folder named PSA Analyser. So we need to make sure that we add a shortcut to desktop to have a quick access there. In the case we don't add the shortcut, then we have to go to the folder and look for program files, then look for the PSA Analyser, and then we will have the application to run. So we click next, and here to confirm selections you need to check that the folder destination of the program that is in program files, and this is what I meant before, that is the runtime from MATLAB that will be installed, right? So you begin installation. For this installation you actually need only 2.5 gigabytes, and so it's recommended to have 5.5 or 50 of gigabytes free on your local disk, right, when you are about to install the program. If you need like any tutorial or additional information, you can check the YouTube channel, and you can copy this link and then go to a channel that will show you all these tutorials. So we click close, and here we have the shortcut to open the application.